Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just
5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money, my dreams come true, my life in diamonds. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew? Who knew?
Turn 7 to a 14, 14 to a whole thing. Lord knows it's a cold game. Switched up on you hoes, man. Big body take both lanes. Backseat blowing propane. All black, 5 gold chains. Young rich nigga bossed up on his own, man. My new shit sound like a soul train. Tookie Williams over Coltrane. Eric B by the rope chains. RC, we for show bang. Tiny Lokes and they go crazy. What you know about the dope game? Was you born in the 80s? Did your mama smoke cocaine? Have you ever seen the whole thing? Was you drove to the streets cause you grew up on show change? Fucked up when the dope age. It remind me when these rappers drop duds and their quotes change. Had to part with the low fade. I was standing in front of Knicks with my sack for the whole day. Drive-bys, I was road rage. And we park and hop out, learn levels to this whole thing. Old school play the OJs, tryna make a slow change. Mama still slaving for a low wage. Tryna double up, yeah. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us.
What's going on, y'all? Today I'm going to be using the Reshoevn8r signature shoe cleaning kit on a pair of my shoes that I'm going to be cleaning today, which is the Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. And as you can see here, it's pretty dirty, like on the back, especially on that midsole, the front toe box, pretty scuffed up. And I wear these shoes quite a lot, so you know they are pretty beat right now. But I'm going to be changing that with the Reshoevn8r signature shoe cleaning kit today. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use all the products in the kit and cleaning my shoes and bringing these bad boys back to life. So let's go ahead and get off into the video and let's get these shoes clean. So just to kind of go over the contents of the box, I'm going to be using a few things in here today, and I'll be showing you and telling you everything that I do use. So it comes with a 4-ounce cleaning solution, 1 soft bristle brush, 1 medium brush, 1 stiff brush, a laundry bag, a pair of shoe trees, and a microfiber towel. So with that being said, I'll show you the things that I'm going to be using today. First off, we got these shoe trees right here, a left and a right one size fit all, so you can adjust them to your desired size. For me, I'm a size 13, so they have to go all the way in the front for it to fit in the shoe. So if you want to change it though, you can maneuver it into a different pocket and then you can fit your desired size shoe. So, but for me, for today's video, I'm going to be using this one right here, and that's what I'm going to be using for my shoes. Okay, so that's the shoe trees. And now I got the medium bristle brush from Reshoevn8r, and then I have the soft bristle brush. So we're going to start with the soft one because this is leather and we kind of want to get the dirt up from the shoe. So we're going to start with the soft bristle brush and then kind of get all those dirt up and then work our way with the medium brush when we target the midsole, because that's a little bit tougher surface area. So we also have the microfiber towel from Reshoevn8r right here, boom. And this is just to wipe the shoes off as it gets wet. And then we have the cleaning solution. So those are the things that I'm going to be using today for my shoes. I don't really think I need to use the laundry bag because I'm not going to wash them or anything like that. I think it's just more of a touch up and just make sure that they're clean. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get off into the video. So first step I want to do is I'm going to take out all my shoelaces just to make sure that I get all of these out so I don't damage them or get them dirtier than they need to be, because my shoelaces are actually pretty clean, y'all. They don't really need to be touched up for real, not that I can see anyway, but when I take them out I'll be able to see a little bit more underneath the surface. So First step is taking out your shoelaces. Now we got the shoe trees. Just open it up, put the shoe trees inside the shoe, press down so it locks into place. This is what it should look like, and then this should be all the way in the toe box, so you guys can get that nice firmness right here when you're scrubbing. Now that the shoes are kind of prepped for cleaning, you know, shoelaces are out, nothing is hindering me. I got a nice firm surface so I can scrub the shoes. I'm going to take my warm cup of water and I'm going to start with the soft brush. It's a little wet right there. Start with the soft brush and then drip some of this cleaning solution on there. So we're going to use the Reshoevn8r cleaning solution. That's what we're starting with. So you should only use a few drops of this when applying it to your brush, and I already applied it to it, and then you'll see the suds. So it didn't take much and it's already foaming up, as you can see. So let me go ahead and start rubbing the entire surface of the shoe. If you want to add a little bit more water, you can do so. And continue scrubbing. You can see that foam right there. Now I just want to start by scrubbing the uppers of the shoe. I don't want to hit that midsole just yet. And then what you want to do is you want to take your microfiber cloth, wipe away the suds. Get it nice and dry. So that was a pretty decent clean. Clean most of the uppers. And now I'm going to target that midsole. So now I'm going to hit the midsole with the medium brush and then show you guys the result afterwards. Still a little dirt on there, as you guys can see, because we didn't hit the midsole yet, but we're about to. So stay tuned. Same thing with the medium brush. Dip it in your water a little bit. Couple drops of the solution, not too much. And now you want to hit that midsole. It does get a little messy, but that's why you have the microfiber cloth. And when you feel like you got a good clean in, go ahead and take that cloth and just scrub it away. May have to go over this one more time, but it looks a lot cleaner than it did when I first started. Way cleaner. So right here a little bit, I gotta hit this a little bit more, but when I go over this like one more time, it'll be super clean. And you don't have to scrub super hard when you have the brush. So I have the medium brush that I'm using right now. You don't have to scrub super hard. You just want to make sure you get the entire area. So let me go ahead and hit that and then show you guys the after results. The entire shoe is clean now. Back is clean. Midsole is clean. I do have one scuff mark that's like literally right here that you guys should be able to see. That one scuff mark. And if you can't get it out with a simple clean, I do have another solution for you guys as well. So I'm gonna show you guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get like some rubbing alcohol, and then like a Q-tip, this right here. You're gonna wet the end of a Q-tip. Wet it a little bit, you don't need to do a whole lot. And then where that mark is, which is like right here, you're literally gonna gently scrub with the Q-tip. And as you can see, it's gone. So shoes are 100% clean now. And that's pretty much it. I got the Reshoevn8r shoe trees in there. Whole uppers are clean. Midsole is clean. I didn't clean the bottoms because like obviously I'm gonna wear these again, so there's really no point for me to clean the bottoms. But as far as the shoe as a whole, you can see the difference right here. Let me put the second pair up to it. This is the pair I just cleaned. As you can see, super clean, no dirt stains, no anything on the shoe. It looks fire. It looks brand new. Boom. You know what I'm saying? A little creasing, but it's all good. Super clean. And then this is the shoe that we didn't clean yet. Do like a little side by side. The midsoles are still dirty. The uppers are still dirty. And this is only like a 5-minute, 10-minute process, y'all. This is not a super long process at all. So anyone can do it. And Reshoevn8r has one of the best shoe cleaning products like out there. So this literally is not going to take me a long time. It's only taking me this long because I'm like walking through the process with you guys. But yeah, man, it's not super hard. Like I said, I have the Reshoevn8r signature shoe cleaning kit, and everything that I displayed in the video comes in this little box right here. So shout out Reshoevn8r for sending me this box. Appreciate it. I do have a discount code that I'll link for you guys, and I'll put that in the description, or I'll just throw it up here on the screen so you guys can just access it whenever you want. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I want to go ahead and clean this second pair just so they're both clean, and then, you know what I'm saying, I'll do another one of these soon. So peace out, YouTube. Thank you for watching today's video, sponsored by Reshoevn8r. I'm going to be doing more stuff like this. I might even be doing a giveaway with Reshoevn8r soon. So stay tuned for more videos. Go ahead, like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. You know we're on the road to 2K subscribers. We just cracked 1K not too long ago. So we're on the road to 2K, then 5K, then 10K. So help your boy get there by subscribing to the channel and watching for more content. If you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in the box today, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll reach out to you and give you the answers you guys are looking for and any feedback or anything you guys need. So just let me know, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Here's the finished product. Super clean. Oh, I'm gonna drop the shoes. Back's clean. Shoelaces are white. Super clean shoe. And here's the other pair.
Double up. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time
clean.
Double up.
You know what I'm saying?
I ain't telling no lies, I just
Go get Reshoevn8r, man.
I ain't telling no lies, I just
5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money. My dreams come true. My life in diamonds.